In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make emoji effect on CapCut. First, make sure you already have your project open in the CapCut editor. This can be any video you're working on, like a vlog, a tutorial, or a short clip for social media. Once your project is open, we're going to add an emoji directly on top of your video so it becomes part of your edit. Look towards the top left area of the CapCut interface and find the section labeled Stickers. Go ahead and click on Stickers. In the search bar that appears, type the word emoji. CapCut will now show you a variety of emoji style stickers you can use. Take a moment to browse through the options and think about what suits the tone of your video. For example, you might pick a laughing emoji for something funny, or a heart emoji for something cute or emotional. Once you've found the emoji you like, click and drag it onto your timeline, directly above the video clip where you want it to appear. You'll see the emoji show up in the preview window on top of your video. Now, position it exactly where you want it. Click on the emoji in the preview and drag it to any area of the frame, like near someone's face, in a corner, or centered on the screen. You can also adjust its size and angle. To resize, grab one of the corner handles and drag it inwards to make it smaller, or outwards to make it bigger. To rotate the emoji, look for the rotate handle near the edge and drag it left or right until you get the angle you like. This lets you match the style and energy of your video. Next, let's control when the emoji appears and how long it stays on screen. On the timeline, select the emoji layer. Drag it left or right to choose the exact moment it starts. To change its duration, move your cursor to the beginning or end of the emoji clip until you see a trim icon. Drag inwards to make it shorter, or outwards to make it last longer. Now, to give it some life, we'll animate it. With the emoji selected, look to the Properties panel on the top right and click on Animation. You'll see three main categories: In, Out, and Loop. In controls how the emoji appears, like a pop-in or fade-in. Out controls how it disappears. Loop makes the emoji keep moving while it's on screen. For example, bouncing or pulsing. Choose the style that fits your edit, preview it, and adjust until you're happy. And that's it. You've added and animated an emoji effect in CapCut.